OpenAI on Monday published a 13-page policy document calling for a sweeping overhaul of America's social contract to prepare for the economic disruption it says artificial intelligence will bring, including a national public wealth fund, taxes on automated labor, and a 4-day work week. The document, titled Industrial Policy for the Intelligence Age: Ideas to Keep People First, represents one of the most detailed policy interventions ever issued by a major AI company. It arrives as OpenAI prepares to release a new advanced model, codenamed Spud, and as CEO Sam Altman intensifies warnings that superintelligence, AI capable of outperforming humans across virtually all cognitive tasks, could emerge within a few years. A new social contract. In a 30-minute interview with Axios, Altman compared the moment to the Progressive Era and the New Deal, arguing that AI's disruption demands a similarly ambitious policy response. The proposals span 6 major areas. The centerpiece is a public wealth fund that would give every American a direct financial stake in AI-driven economic growth, partially financed by AI companies and invested in long-term assets. OpenAI also calls for taxes related to automated labor and a shift in taxation from payroll to capital gains and corporate profits, anticipating that AI could erode the payroll tax base that funds Social Security, Medicaid, and SNAP. On the labor front, the document encourages businesses and unions to experiment with 32-hour work weeks at full pay, framing reduced hours as an efficiency dividend that workers should share in. It also positions access to AI as a right comparable to literacy and electricity, advocating affordable access for workers, small businesses, schools, and underserved communities. Safety nets and rogue AI. Perhaps most striking are the document's proposals for auto-triggering safety nets, economic indicators that would automatically activate expanded unemployment benefits, wage insurance, and cash assistance when AI-driven job displacement hits certain thresholds. In a section Axios described as alarming, the document acknowledges scenarios in which dangerous AI systems cannot be easily recalled due to autonomous and self-replicating capabilities, proposing government-industry collaboration to contain such risks. Strategy and skepticism. The release functions as both policy advocacy and corporate positioning. Vanity Fair reported last week that the initiative, led by Altman, Chief Futurist Joshua H.M., and VP of Global Affairs Chris Lahane, aims to rethink the social contract and build superintelligence that works for everyone. The effort is part of a broader research push on industrial policy and economic disruption in the AI era. Critics will note the inherent tension. The company racing hardest to build superintelligence is also the one proposing how to manage its fallout. Altman acknowledged this, telling Axios that the blueprint is a starting point, not a final answer, and that the company wanted to begin the debate before these issues really start to happen with seriousness.